Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. What if you could invest in companies that consistently reward you? Imagine receiving reliable income every quarter. Today, we'll explore the 5 best blue-chip dividend stocks to buy now. Stick around for a surprise tip at the end. Blue-chip stocks are established companies known for stability. They offer strong dividends, making them ideal for long-term investors. We'll cover Verizon, Coca-Cola, Ford, Prudential Financial, and General Dynamics. The 5 blue-chip companies on today's list are well-positioned to thrive while the market and the global economy navigate these challenges. Each provides necessary goods and services that will remain in demand even if the economy were to slow significantly, and they all pay consistent dividends that can help smooth out volatility and hedge against rising prices. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us and remember to comment and share. Let's start with Verizon. Its reliable returns attract investors seeking stability and growth opportunities. It also provides. In an ever-changing market, this investment stands out by combining impressive yields with an extensive reach, ensuring shareholders benefit from both current income and potential capital appreciation, ultimately fostering confidence in its long-term viability and performance. With consistent revenue, it's a go-to for dividends. Verizon's dividend remains attractive to investors. Verizon continues to deliver consistent returns. Verizon's commitment to maintaining a robust 6.3% dividend reflects its financial stability and dedication to providing value to shareholders, solidifying its reputation in the telecommunications market. Next, Coca-Cola delivers a refreshing dividend history, increasing payouts for over 50 years. Coca-Cola is certainly the most successful non-alcoholic beverage brand in the world. Wall Street is estimating that the company will generate $48.1 billion in revenue in fiscal 2025 and $50.7 billion in 2026, which would represent a 5% year-over-year increase. You can count on them. The co-dividend yield stands at 2.95%. This yield indicates a strong return for investors, showcasing the company's commitment to rewarding its shareholders even amidst economic fluctuations. By maintaining such a competitive dividend yield, Co positions itself as a reliable choice for income-focused investors seeking stability in their portfolio. Then, we have Ford. It's not just a car maker, it's revitalizing itself. As Ford accelerates its electric vehicle initiative, investors remain hopeful for sustained dividends. Ford's commitment to innovation remains unwavering. With a strategic focus on electric mobility, Ford is poised to redefine the automotive landscape, balancing passion for progress with the necessity for shareholder value, ensuring both growth and confidence in the company's future. The Ford dividend yield remains strong. With a yield of 5.23%, Ford continues to attract investors looking for reliable income streams, reinforcing its position as a valuable player in the automotive market. The company's commitment to providing solid returns inspires confidence among shareholders as it navigates the evolving industry landscape. Now, let's talk about Prudential Financial Inc. Pru. It's a financial giant that provides reliable income through dividends. Pru is a $36 billion blue-chip insurance and financial services company with a history that spans 150 years. The company has a solid reputation for financial stability and superior customer service. Its 5% dividend makes the stock compelling as an income vehicle as well as a dividend growth stock, especially considering Pru has increased its payout for 17 consecutive years. Prudential's diverse product line includes life insurance, health insurance, business insurance, annuities, exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, and traditional mutual funds. Pru could be the right choice for long-term investors looking for capital appreciation and current income. Last but not least is General Dynamics. This defense contractor shows growth potential and steady dividends. They focus on technology and innovation, ensuring consistent returns. In March 5, General Dynamics Board of Directors increased the company's quarterly dividend rate 5.6% from $1.42 to $1.50. The move marked the 34th consecutive year of dividend increases for this stock, reinforcing its status as a blue-chip dividend stock. GD has been an important player in the defense industry for many years. The company was founded in 1899 in Virginia as the Electric Boat Company and has a current market cap of more than $80 billion. GD designs and manufactures military and civilian aircraft, nuclear submarines, advanced armored fighting vehicles and associated software and electronics. As of July 17, this blue-chip name is up about 13.9% year-to-date and, although there are no guarantees, is demonstrating the momentum to push higher. Referencing history, companies like these have stood the test of time. They provide security amidst market fluctuations. By consistently investing at regular intervals, you can build a more balanced portfolio gradually. This strategy minimizes impact. By implementing dollar-cost averaging, you empower yourself to manage risks effectively while capitalizing on market fluctuations, ultimately leading to a more secure financial future and potential growth over time. Here's a surprising fact. For investors, knowing that their dividends are stable during tough times offers a reassuring sense of financial security. Imagine the peace. In these moments of uncertainty, reliable dividends act as a lifeline, allowing investors to maintain their lifestyle and commitments. It's this steadfastness that cultivates a deep-rooted trust in their investments, inspiring confidence even amidst turbulent economic climates. The enduring strength of such companies truly speaks volumes. Now for the special tip. Consider dollar-cost averaging to minimize risks. Consider this strategy. By gradually investing a fixed amount over time, you can take advantage of market fluctuations and potentially enhance your overall returns. This method smoothens out the buying price and reduces the impact of volatility on your investments. Implementing it thoughtfully can lead to greater financial stability. This strategy minimizes risks and maximizes returns over time. To recap, we investigated Verizon, Coca-Cola, Ford, Prudential, and General Dynamics. Investing in these options can lead to financial stability. Ultimately, choosing these investments allows for a balanced portfolio, ensuring that growth and income work harmoniously together to secure your financial future. With careful consideration and strategic planning, you can navigate the investment landscape effectively. Investing in your future requires diligence and a willingness to adapt. Remember, the journey is ongoing, and your financial well-being depends on informed decisions made today. Keep pushing forward with confidence. As you navigate your financial landscape, never hesitate to seek guidance from experts. They can illuminate paths you may not have considered, ensuring your efforts compound over time, leading to lasting prosperity and success in achieving your goals. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your support helps us bring you more insightful content. Keep investing wisely. See you in the next video.